I told you guys that the Yorubas have deep-seated hatred for the Igbos, and you guys think I'm joking. And the reason why they do that is best known to them because I can't call shit. This man here is Olamide, a Yoruba tailor in South Africa who was arrested after he was caught on camera plotting to have an Igbo rich guys in South Africa kidnapped. The video is trending in South Africa, and it goes on to reveal the wickedness of the heart of man. My fellow Igbos in South Africa can confirm this incident, and it has sent a signal to Igbos over there to be vigilant, because this one Nigeria, now from out though, a big scam. If not, tell me how a fellow Nigerian could plot to pull down his fellow Nigerian because, according to him, or you rather, he is pompous and always shows off. This is pure witchcraft and envy. Of course, won't be a subole di baga. Bingo. Just watch the video first before I drop my analysis.
It has everybody.
So this is your carrier. You go park next to his carrier.
Oh, okay.
Now you go that side. So waiting now go just go to be say nobody. No, you no get security. You get anybody inside that shop. So I won't make you come. If they close around 8.
What will you do?
Sunday. Now you go guy one eyes the pain am like this, one eyes they okay. You understand? You know reason why I just want to make him pay. You never learn. And after you do this one, there's another Igbo guy where they here now. One small boy like this. All these guys now the small boys. They never learn lessons. So I want to make this one even first learning lesson. Say if they go anywhere, they know they announce and say they go. Everybody they tell everybody. Who they show off for? Now they show off for. If they call bad luck for yourself, that was not my own concern because now you don't they call saying money. So
he there,
So he go there. The guy not go even give you 50 rand. They go one use pay.
Like how much if you give and pay? How much if you
person will go buy ticket of almost 14,000 rand already. It means that the show saying get money with that now. You go know say don't change some dollar. Save already. Because they no born your papa will make it. If you don't get money, you don't need to be making noise for it. People will get money, so they make noise.
What if you don't move that motor they drive?
That's a small Suzuki. You understand? You will go inside the shop, but I want me to come around 7 before he lock himself inside shop. So
are they sleep?
No, he go lock himself. He go still doing home business. They actually say they fuck some makosha inside that shop also. So. As he now go just bang am inside shop. You see there's some Tanzania guy wey rent that shop for. This one they always fight anyway. This one no care about him. You understand? But only him they work inside that shop.
Only him dey inside the shop, not sales boy.
If you go now, safe. If you go observe. If you go observe now, Sunday. You understand? So he must pay. He's taking passport if you no want pay. If you know what they put in passport inside this front car for the dashboard there. Inside that show glass, the car key there. You go see one show glass where as you enter now, you go see one show glass there. In that show glass, now they put the key. You understand? This guy must pay. This plus minus 30,000 if you pay. Me, I just need only 1,000 and that is only money. After you do and finish, you can't do another one. Because they show off. They get money.
Let's go.
Now check out the video where he confessed his wickedness.
Ife a bụ nwanne anyị nwoke alụ nkata ka ebulu nwanne anyị nwoke a na-akpọ Sunday anyị tinyere unu nya geenụ ntị unu nụ ife ọ na-akọ ikilicha nyela ya aka ka eshia ya.
Guys, hello. Tell the world waiting make you say make they can carry this one. What will be the problem?
Yes, the problem is that I have a boutique shop and I pay this my brother here 55,000 rand. My wife is my witness. After that, I tell this man, he supplied me a stock of 35,000. He's my witness. Only witness that I have is my wife, and that's the one that's the only person that's the person that I opened the shop for, and that's the person that I'm buying the clothing for. So I bring my wife to him. That this is my brother. You can do the business with him.
So how much you give him? What will be this one name?
55,000.
Who you give 55,000?
Sunday.
Okay. That's what you want to use.
After I give her 55,000, he supply me a stock of 35,000. My balance is 20,000.
Okay.
Now, I'm telling him about my balance, that the business is not going according the way it's going anymore. That I'm not selling clothes anymore. That only what I need is my money. After that, he's busy turning me up and down. Only the mistake what I do, they say I did not report the 20,000 rand for you the day that you are taking this video of the things. That's only the mistake I did.
My brother,
yes,
when they came to you, you don't mention the 20K. Today you call it mistake.
The reason why I did not mention the 20K,
yeah,
I'll be honest with you. When they come to me as a help.
Even they help now.
They said that make I buy them food. After they said make I buy them food, I was explaining to them that I don't have money with me. I don't have anything with me.
Then I usually use them.
Wait, sir. From there, they come tell me say, did I have any job to give them?
Based on street.
Based on street.
Yeah.
That's what they asked me. I tell them say me I know.
That they kill people.
No, we not talk about killing people inside the video. You understand?
Okay, sharp. Now, as it stand like this now, you don't fuck up. But you now, you be in Nigeria before my people here. You did the wrong thing. You understand? So, but with fellow Nigerian mind, and we will still temper justice with mercy. This guy, when they talk, your intention not be about the money. But now when problem comes start, you can't talk about the money. Huh? You don't fuck up. But you know say, we're not going to feel wrong this guy. On a normal basis, say make we wrong this guy. But we're not going to feel wrong, do that thing. That's why she say, me personally, if you do that thing, because it's a high time we will claim Nigeria community. But we still not say, we still help each other. As you say, make we go do it now, we do it now. You go say, will not be good Nigerians again, you understand? So, Chairman, as they said for Nigeria consulate, I go see say at the end we are still family. After today, anybody when misbehave, they deport them to clean the community.
Just imagine how he has been monitoring the carefree Igbo man to the point he knows where one of them keeps his passport, car keys, and stuffs. He was actually monitoring him via the CCTV in the plaza where they all stay. Igbo men that always mind their business and face the business that pays them. Igbo men that love openly and hardly discriminate. This one is quite painful. Oh. Honestly, you choke. You see those Igbo people that keep saying, I have Yoruba friends. I don't like bigotry. You naive man will learn soon. The Yoruba man said he wanted to teach him a lesson for being more prosperous than him. You see, I have nothing to say, but I will keep on saying that Chukwu Okike Abiyama will continue exposing enemies of Ndi Igbo because I can't need your child. Chineke nna barakwa tuleo. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just a DM away. Bye.